Hi guys, and welcome back to our TTW Daily Snippets. Today I want to tell you a story about the importance of listening to the market and visually seeing what the daily market is telling us. And yes, trading is possible without deep market insights, but here at TTW we prefer to dig deeper and really understand what the market is doing each day. In today's snippet from September the 10th, 2024, we are looking at the EU4 future, and I'm going to show you how TTW-TradeFinder and SpotGamma Levels work together to identify potential trading zones. But before we dive into the details, let's roll a time lapse of the key events on that day. Now that you have seen the action in real time, let's break it down step by step. Each of these orange lines represents icebergs. We call them Dynamic Iceberg Developments because every iceberg has a starting point. Let me show you. Look here at these small circles. Every of these small circles represents the time and price when an algo or whoever placed an order in the order book. When the iceberg is executed, the TradeFinder algorithm draws the start and the ending of the DID on the chart in real time. This little circle marks where an algo or a big whale, let's call him a big whale, placed an order in the order book long before the price reached that level. Remarkable, isn't it? Our algorithm detects the first iceberg trade, traces back to when the order was placed, and even shows how long it's been sitting there, how many lots have been traded, and how many lots are still left to trade. Now, here's something fascinating. All of these iceberg events totaling 200 lots were placed at the exact same time, at 7:35 and 5 seconds AM Eastern Time on that day. See these perfect aligned markers, all of them executed at this exact same time and same second, as I mentioned, 7:35 and few seconds AM Eastern Time. Guys, this isn't about trading signals. This is about watching and listening to the market. It is impressive how TradeFinder analyzes every single order ID with such precision, filtering the market events that an astute trader is always looking for. The story here is that these dynamic iceberg developments, DIDs, don't happen every day. But when they do, it is significant, and a knowledgeable trader knows exactly what to do when they appear. At that moment, SpotGamma levels were above 5,500 price range, roundabout. Unfortunately, they aren't visible in this replay since they change daily, but I guarantee you they were there. The key takeaway here is that reading the market properly, adding as much objective information as possible, makes all the difference for a confident trader. At this point, the market is telling us something important: possible resistance ahead. Now, imagine knowing how to combine this information, TradeFinder, SpotGamma levels, and maybe other insights you have, and deciding to sell at those levels. What happens next? Suddenly, and out of nowhere, around the 54.93 level, TradeFinder picks up another round of icebergs. And this is the beauty of TradeFinder. It analyzes these market events in real time. No lag, no skewing, nothing. And looking at what happens here, the market bounces off these levels. And by the way, check out TradeFinder's iceberg volume profile on the right side of the chart. 54.93 is the support level for now. From here, an experienced trader could derive different strategies, like buying at 91, 93, as long as the support holds. But what if it breaks at 54.92? The trading decisions you make depend on your personal knowledge, experience, and strategy. So, today's story isn't about signals. It's about how the market tells its own story. And I'm sure you'll agree, the market is always right. TTW-TradeFinder is really an incredible data analysis tool. And I want to motivate you to grab your copy for Bookmap today and see for yourself and test for yourself. And don't forget, you can add another powerful layer to your trading with SpotGamma's option levels. Understanding how options influence the market is crucial for serious traders. Take this opportunity to enhance your trading strategy. And guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and stay tuned for more TTW Daily Snippets, and see you next time. Thank you.